Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I did not want to leave you hanging as to what I did with this canvas, if I left the ball on or not. As you can see, I did end up removing it. I think the votes were about 50-50, probably a little bit more in favor of leaving the ball on, but in the end I just decided that I would prefer it better without it on there. So here is the ball. The ball is dry, the canvas is not dry. I think the ball is just friggin' awesome. You can obviously see like the styrofoam pattern in there. So I think it may have been a good idea to prime it. But either way, I'm going to make this into an ornament and it's going to be awesome. Before I took this off, I did turn it, which gave me this kind of cool swirly circle here. Oh, and then just how I dried this, I just put a toothpick in the bottom here where that pinhole already was, and then I put the other end of the toothpick on a foam block so that it just was suspended above there and able to dry. So that's that. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on making ornaments out of that, because yeah, I think having some styrofoam ball ornaments will be awesome, and Christmas is coming up now. Okay, so back to the canvas. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up on the middle here. So here is the swirly part, and as you can see by the pinhole there, this did shift a little bit to the left because that pinhole was in the middle. Didn't shift a lot, but it did shift a little bit. We still have the amazing lacing over here. You can kind of see it's dry around the edges, still wet in the middle. And then I just wanted to show you guys here too is an awesome like dragon face or some kind of, I don't know, snake, dragon, something. So I really, really, really love this piece. And I got a lot of really good suggestions, like cutting the styrofoam ball in half and then having there be different sizes and doing a whole bunch of different ones and doing a whole series. And oh my gosh, a lot of suggestions, really, really good suggestions actually. So I will be doing some more projects with this coming up. Don't you worry, there's no shortage of styrofoam balls at the dollar store. So yeah, thank you all for voting on this project. I really appreciate your help, and I'll see you next time.